Hello everyone, today we are making something that you can have either for breakfast, lunch or dinner. At first you can add butter and coconut oil. Then add garlic, cinnamon, pandan leaves and ginger. Then you can mix them. After that you can add onion. Now you can start adding the vegetables. Adding vegetables is at your preference. You can add whatever the vegetable that you like. Here we have added salt. Then you can add chicken. Then you can add turmeric powder, chili powder, curry powder, pepper and roasted curry powder, and you can mix them together like this. After a few minutes you can add rice. Make sure to wash properly and strain the water. Once the mixing is completed, you can add hot water. You can add water as usual. You can let it cook for some time. And here we have a yummy fried rice. Hope you all enjoyed today's video. You can share this among your friends. Try it and let us know your comments. Thank you for watching.